Hi, my name is Josie. I work at Avidly Expert Solutions. I just wanted to show you guys how to quickly make something like an image, a logo animated without having to go into After Effects. So if you pop into Premiere Pro, what you want to do is, sorry, I just need to remove these. Make sure that you just have your logo imported in Premiere Pro in your project. This is the area that we're working with. I've already positioned it in the right spot where I want it. If you want it in the, I don't know, top right corner or something, or if you want it, oh, that's a little bit too far, isn't it? Or if you want it like smaller, then yeah, make it smaller. But for this sake, we want it in the middle and we want it big. So make sure that you have that marked, and also that you're in the effect controls panel. If you don't have the effect controls panel, you can check the window and then just see that this effect controls is actually checked. So we're going to work with keyframes as always. So start with the stopwatch on the position at the beginning, or it's not right at the beginning, is it? But it's not. That's not important. Hit the space bar to go forward a few frames where it feels natural. Okay, yeah, there we go. Oh, that's a bit long actually. Like it feels more natural about there, I think, where it can be in the next position. So what I want to do is just make it go down a bit. And we've created 2 keyframes here in the timeline. So this is the timeline for the logo. And what I want to do now is go forward a few frames and mark the 2 keyframes I've already made, because I want this to be a loop, and copy paste it. Now, as you can see, that one ended up a bit too close. Do the same, go forward, paste. Now, what we've created is a sequence of a very static, it's not really floating, is it? It's more like a Windows 95 screensaver. And that wasn't the look we went for, or I'm going for this time. So what I want to do is check them all, mark them, right click, then change temporal interpolation into auto Bezier. And that, you can see that they're round, makes them more floaty. It's a subtle change, but makes a difference in my opinion. And you can play around. You can have even if you want it to move much slower than I've done, you can do that and just have them go like that. So those are your keyframes. That's what we're working with, and that's how easy you can make an animation without having to go into After Effects. Make sure that you tune into our LinkedIn account every single week for a new Avidly Experts video. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.